Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Eli and welcome back to my channel for another video. It's been so long since I dropped a video to this channel and I apologize that you guys had to wait so long to get another video. But we are back now, and today's video we have a special announcement for you guys, so stick around to find out what it is.
Gotta cross the 300, cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry, I got a poor man's Bentley. First week was a Benz, put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status, no I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot over here.
As you guys can see, the setup is actually looking different today, and I'm gonna tell you guys why in a minute. But first, let's talk about that poll that I dropped in the community tab over a month ago. So in that post, I asked you guys, which one would you prefer? Individual how-to videos or series videos? And you guys seem to choose the individual how-to videos. Since you guys just pretty much unanimously choose the how-to videos, we're gonna start working on some how-to videos for this channel. But for those of you guys that don't know, I have two YouTube channels. I have my primary YouTube channel, which is this one, and I also have my music YouTube channel where I post music related content. In order for me to keep up with both channels and be able to post content on both every week, I have to be smart about how I create my content. So with that said, instead of focusing on individual how-to videos, I'm gonna start making series on how-to videos. That way you guys will get what you want, which is the how-to videos, and at the same time it'll be easier for me to create those content because I'm gonna be making a series of videos. Managing two different YouTube channels is very time consuming and it can get very expensive. So if you guys like the content that we post here and you would like to see us continue to grow, here's how you can help. Down in the description, I'm gonna have my Amazon affiliate link, which you can use to make any purchase on Amazon, and in turn I'll get a commission, which will be invested back into this channel to help create more content. And as well as all the gears that I use to create the content on this channel are going to be posted in the description as well. You can check them out and get what you want. And of course, the number one way that you guys can help us stay afloat is by subscribing to the channel. Drop a like to our videos and comment to show your support. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any other uploads. I'm going to drop a link to my secondary YouTube channel as well in the description, so head over there and show some support. Alright, so starting next week, I'm going to start doing those how-to videos, but they're going to be more in the series format versus the individual how-to videos. And to make life easier on me, I'm going to start using some of the behind the scenes for when I'm filming for my music channel. I can't wait to see how this turns out, and I am looking forward to start dropping those videos for you guys. And that's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you next time in the next video.